15-year-old teenager shoots officer 5 times, causing her serious injuries during an arrest.
Come on.
What?
Come on. Come on. Stay right here. 221.
I'm sorry, what's your location?
Phillips and Hickory. Come on. You gotta stand up.
What'd I do?
Come on, turn around.
What?
Look. Turn around. Ow! Officer shot! Officer shot! Officer shot! Help me!
Where's your radio?
Help me!
Where's your radio?
Where are we? Officer shot! Help!
Hey, you got an officer down 2500 block of Hickory Street. Female officer down 2500 block of Hickory Street.
It was William Patterson. Black jacket, black shorts, black pants. Help!
You all right? Come on, hang with me. Hang with me. Hey, help! Come out! Where's your 10-1 button?
It's the red button. Help.
Officer down, 2500 block of Hickory Street. Oh, stay still, stay down. Stay down.
Where'd he go?
Take care of her first. I don't know where he took off.
Where are you shot? Stay with me. Stay with me. Where are you shot?
Arms and leg.
I got you, babe. I got you. Stay with me, okay? Watch my back, man.
I got you.
Watch my back.
I got her gun.
423. Scene secure. Get a medic. Shot twice.
He took off.
Okay.
Eastbound.
Okay.
Towards the.
Okay. Hold on.
Senior Citizen Village. Let me tell them.
Stay with me, okay? You hear me? Stay with me. Stay with me, okay, sweetheart? I got you. I got you. Stay with me. Stay with me, okay? Talk to me, okay? Where else? Where else you shot? Where's your tourniquet? Get it, your tourniquet.
Give me the tourniquet. Give me the tourniquet. I got it. Relax. Listen, relax. Where's the shooter at? Which
We
way?
got shooter ran off.
Give a description. Give me a bolo. Get a bolo out.
Towards the.
All right. Where else are you shot?
Arm in the arm. She said the arm.
Senior Citizen Village.
Said the arm. Sweetheart, come here.
Where at?
Look at me. Look at me. Hold my hand.
What's the description? Give me a description.
William Patterson.
William
Patterson.
Patterson.
Put that out. Put that out.
423. Suspect is William Patterson. Took off on foot towards, I believe, Romanesque.
Put me on scene. 414 on scene. 414 on scene. Hey, set up a perimeter. Set up a perimeter.
Yeah, whoever else is responding can be perimeter, all right?
Where are you hurting at, sweetie? Right here.
Right here. It's okay. Hey, look at me. We're gonna get you help, okay? Look, you trained for this. Sweetheart, you trained for this. Take your hand down. You trained for this, okay?
The suspect took off.
Look, you trained for this. Look at me, okay? Look at me. We trained for this. You're tough, all right? All right, it's right here, Rob. Move. Go. All right, we need perimeter units. We need perimeter units, all right? He's on foot. We got this, all right? Get the medics in. Set up a perimeter. Will Patterson.
I know it hurts.
Perimeter.
Hey, you're doing good,
You need to
okay?
set up
You're doing
perimeter
good.
to search.
We got it, okay? Sir, just stay right here with us,
Breathe
okay?
okay?
That's just heard shots. When I looked out, I saw her falling.
We got 2 arming in the left thigh. I'm sorry, upper chest in the left thigh. You got the thigh? Tighten that off. Good. All right. Yeah, it's good.
Can you make sure we got a good set of
We need to get LT.
He's on a black mountain bike.
Here.
Black mountain bike.
Here.
Black,
people
black,
working in
black
the house
mountain bike
should
with
see
Will
some-
Patterson.
Hey,
Young black male juvenile.
Will Patterson.
Yeah.
I got you.
Okay.
Dr. Lee, stay
You're
with us,
talking to me,
okay?
okay? So what happened?
Black mountain bike.
Huh?
Clear the road for the
Do what?
ambulance. He's in here. Move that vehicle.
Relax.
Move the vehicle.
Relax, LT. Relax.
Take it easy.
What was the last thing? What was your wearing?
Bike this way.
Okay, no big deal.
We got it up.
The officer survived, but she had to retire from active duty. She had to undergo several surgeries and physical therapy. The teenager was later apprehended at gunpoint and sentenced to life.